Looking for a highly equipped SUV with superior functionality and every luxury option you could possibly imagine? You've come to the right place. Take a look at this certified pre-owned 2015 Jeep Grand Cherokee Overland in max steel. With BI-XENON high-intensity headlights, 20-inch aluminum wheels, LED tail lamps, QUADRA-LIFT air suspension, power folding multifunction mirrors, heated front and second row seats, ventilated front seats, heated steering wheel, 8.4-inch touchscreen display, navigation, backup camera, dual-pane panoramic sunroof, dual-zone automatic temp control, power liftgate, and so much more. For additional details or to schedule a test drive, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number 3079A.
All Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles pass a stringent inspection process, guaranteeing that only the finest vehicles get certified. Ask your dealer about available lifetime warranty upgrades. Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles, the smart choice, factory backed to go the distance. This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX vehicle history report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.